I enjoy working at SFS because it's making me a better person, making me a better leader.
There's always opportunity for improvement. No matter what, SFS has always had an open ear for me.
They have core values that seem to be actual and, realized.
SFS is also a second family here. I've worked here for so long. I have friends that I will have lifetime friends that I've made here.
No matter if he's a manager or group leader, we feel equal and everybody has the possibility to speak up and change something.
SFS, it's special. They give you opportunities that other companies don't give.
When I think of SFS, I think of respect and understanding.
Something that you would enjoy doing every day. You want to wake up and you want to come in and see what happens and who's here.
It's a wonderful feeling, working as a team and supporting each other.
There's a lot of great people here. It's a great place to work, clean as can be, and it's honestly a good time.
The word that would come to mind when I think of SFS would be opportunity.
What motivates you?
What motivates me? Me. I'm just motivated when I get up in the morning and just, grateful to see another day. It motivates me to go out and do what I need to do. I'm motivated when my feet hit the floor. Life motivates me.